The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm going to present to you piece of an entire video that is out on social media. And according to some things that have been said on social media about the entire video that is out on social media, it is said that the video is about an argument between a female who goes by the name of Mackerel and her landlord. Some places on social media, it is said that Mackerel had some disagreements with her landlord, you see me? And some places on social media, it is said that the video is about a dispute between a female who goes by the name of Mackerel and her landlord, you see me? Now, according to some things that have been said on social media about the video also, it is said that the person who is said to be Mackerel's landlord argued with another person as well, you see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that I'm only telling you some things that have been said on social media about the video. You see what I'm saying to you? So therefore, the things that I just told you that had been said on social media about the entire video that is out on social media might not be accurate and also might not be the truth. You see what I'm saying to you? So please bear that in mind, alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you this piece of video that is from an entire video that is out on social media. And according to some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can let me know if you think the person is actually Mackerel's landlord or not. You see me? You can let me know what you think overall about the video, alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Young girl for show.
Yes.
Let's see young.
From 13,
From your 12, me a 13.
When me at 30, me start.
Yeah, you're too late. You not enjoy it. You know when the boy a box and choke, you not enjoy it. But you want up on the skin for $300 or 300 $300 Miss Annette Miss Annette 300. Go and pay 300 over pay master. Miss Annette, at least you lucky pipe never did that run. You lucky the pipe never did that run.
Tell her the right thing.
We don't come to call my friend name with them, but we tell her, because my friend will never take your side. Men has all money, no men. I say you wait up in front of my door where you are your man.
Let me hear, the lady hear me.
But we should.
More personal use electricity.
Yeah, right. Alright, I'm talk now. I say you are your man, wait up out the door. Your man wait up in front of my door where, and then your man come like he want to beat me. Are you wait up out there when you fix the table, when you pull on your table? Are you wait up out there? And then you never come on the concert, the water leak, and then you want to come talk. But you can't take problem, people. When you feel like I'm going to pay my big money and then you're going to live uncomfortable, I'm not going to pay my money and live uncomfortable. No gusto. Oh, you did I use the pipe the day when me and Mena and Mark come out of the house, you was using the pipe, and we will come back and sweep it away. If we never come on the contact, you never know the leak it a pipe lead up to having breathing mosquito, fly, swarm fly, and then something there.
You have it wake up before that.
Me have it wake up. But me have it wake up before that. Your place I wake up. You have to use the people. You have to, when the people are parent, you have to use your fix up the place. Because at the end of the day, why you tenant them?
No tenant like you, we want trace.
Me want trace because you want thief me.
I want fix no way for you.
Yeah, if you don't want fix me, I take it out of your rent. Me not need to have no money. Me not wear an obligation. Me I pay my money. Me not catch it. I ain't a squatter. I ain't begging.
You get it fixed up?
I ain't begging. Me not get it no fixed up. Your door is rotting down.
You the rent here fixed
Your door is rotting down.
So you didn't get it?
Yeah, no, because it takes time and it gradually rotting down.
Well, now that you know it rot down,
I'm going to fix it until I leave.
You move now?
No, me I fix it first.
Fix what?
The door.
I know your place.
No, you can't tell me like I'm my safety. Go on the station, I'm my safety. I'm supposed to live somewhere and be safe. Away you go, come here.
Are you going?
Yes.
You going pop off?
Come here, then. Come here
And
then.
the water going lock off.
Lock you up then. If you lock,
And say when you out underneath you.
lock them out underneath me, lock you up then. Now say me not call police by you.
From me.
Yeah.
you can't tell me.
Come stand up back right here, sir.
You
Come.
don't trace it. Don't trace it, me little girl.
Me not just no. First and foremost, big man. Me not just me attack. Me not.
Get the place in a good condition.
No. We get the house now with a half rotten down door.
You wouldn't pay them.
Me and the same day leave got water bottom it rotten. Me can get a place today and by tomorrow the inches a drop out.
Well, now that it a drop out.
Me a go fix it until me come out.
You run out.
Who a run out? You're right. After me not run out, you have
I
to.
want no water for wash underneath you.
I lie ya tell me. I lie ya tell. And never near me yet. A straight mouth near me. A straight mouth near me. So we are getting about answer. I'm getting control right here do we have any ants me see by me. Me kill them and can right here do we have. And me say one cockroach in here, we can right here do we can and rubbish bin.
See my rubbish bin them here now.
I run them here control my rubbish too.
Oh yeah?
Of course.
We are going to see who bad and who.
No, to do with badness. When you see the big man a push badness. Me hear the lady a push badness too.
When your water lock off, me bad on you when me make your water lock off.
You bother me?
Me not for fight fist.
If you bother, if you make my water lock off, but if you make my water lock off, one man over there so look me just hook up him and give me some water. You can't tell that we're parent, you're right. Of course. Thank you, Jesus.
I don't want no
write me the notice. Write me the notice.
You got your security.
No, write me the notice. Men I tell her to write the notice.
You didn't get notice where you
Men I tell her to write the notice. By right, I'm supposed to give you 10 of them notice. Why you want people money? That's why you don't want to give them the notice. Because you want to have them occupy your place. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Then what parent when they get notice? If whatever parent fan at the end of the day need to leave. That makes sense. Don't rent people your place. Take a place and give it up for charity. Take a place and give it up for charity.
When you get notice, miss, you must continue to pay your rent until you move in.
But every time some move and still get notice. When you gotta take people for fool. Gotta go your business. Gotta go your business. You want people rent people a place and then you want disrespect people on top of it. And go on. No, well, for tell us I'm not be a children. Then no way. Mena, listen, I'm supposed to loud because I pay my money.
No.
Miss Annette, Mena, I never go in on Miss Annette. No, Miss Mena, I never go in on Miss Annette and talk to her peacefully.
No, you start loud.
No, I'm talking to her peacefully. Mena.
Start explaining to you what the children for. I explained the night before. I explained so many times in the text.
Mena, listen. She come and she said, when she send me the bill, when she said it is December water bill, Annette can't see me because you see one thing with me. You go, let me tell you, Tom young, but Tom no fool. Yeah?
Well, you fool if you
Tom young, but Tom no fool. Mena, it come to $1,700. It come to $3,000. $3,000, Mena. So if me pay $2,000, first she said me pay $1,700, you know. If me pay,
because you were alone.
no. It cannot. Why you were alone? No, man, I was here. Man, I was here. You know what boys for me use? Exactly. So I'm for pay $300 now. Oh, exactly. Me used to go and come on my man. So they are still $1,700 because I was hardly here. But after the 5 away, you soon see 50 away in here.
Then you're going to pay.
You soon see 80 or 100 away in here. Yes, of course.
And when I say pay 500 more or 1,000 more,
We attack. When I am on run, they tell us if you pay no miss.
2 against 5.
But 2 against 5. 2 against 5, you can't do the same. You can't do the same. You can't do the same. I come complain to men about Abby was here. Don't call Abby name because Abby didn't even know where you miss. Don't call Abby name. You that big money you mix up. Don't mistake. You have to have your facts them straight. Go see how much lie you got tell. Name me 5. Name them.
The 5 you were on.
Name the 5.
Extra.
But 5, go and pay $300 for me. Go on.
Pay the extra.
Yeah, move like $1,000 open the bill. I want $2,000. Yeah, aunt them young girl for $300. Eh? You put it for your balance brought forward.
And you're going to add to GC.
And then you're going to pay half.
Of that late fee, you're going to add 700 more.
I won't go pay them there. You see how she keep?
$300 going to lead to a 250 late fee plus GC.
Oh, if it be late fee, we pay a bill. So Miss Annette, you pay a bill yet? Eh? You pay a bill yet?
If you leave 1 cent, and it go over the due date, them charge late fee.
You know, Miss Annette, there's a thief in woman that say, oh, it's
What
empty.
commission?
You know, there's a thief in woman that say, oh, it's empty. You. There's a thief in. Me that. Me a try to get up.
Understand about the late fee bill of not paying a bill on time?
Men, I'm gonna tell you, number one, them can't cut off your water bill, so. What? I'm gonna tell you about water. Come here. Cause since come here. First and foremost, water commission give you a month before they cut off your water bill. When you owe $100,000, men are like roads. How much money she did owe before she pay? Come here, Miss Annette. JPS, cut off your bill, mena. When you see if you owe over $1,000 upon the bill, that is how JPS cut off your bill, and they don't cut it off so fast. You understand? Nobody now cut off no bill because come here, Miss Annette. Come here.
Oh.
Yeah, come here, Miss Annette. Come here. Miss Annette, oh. Miss Annette, come here. Miss Annette. Miss Annette. Miss Annette. Miss Annette. Miss Annette. You're not feeling for thief people, you're a big one. Miss Annette, you're a thief. Miss Annette. Of course. You show me a bill, yeah? You show me a bill one. But what you want? You want to come tell me some people pay all the time, you don't pay none. You're a thief because you want to pay all the bill and you don't pay none.
I have five smarty round.
Me have five. You know you style it.
2 smarty round there sometimes. It's gone for 2 weeks now. You know you style it. You know you style it. I mean one.
You know you style it.
Versus 5 of you round here.
All you push them and you style it round there.
5 of you round
All you push them you style it round there.
So pay the extra for the 5 of you.
You pay the 3 bills for 5 away. Since it's a problem to you, go and go pay it.
No, it's I use 5 people around here.
First me pay 17, then for go back again and go pay 3. Okay, can you feel like we pick up money from half a road for come give on it?
Because you had 5 of you around here, so I said pay an extra.
Miss Annette.
You left $100 back.
Miss Annette.
Plus I put 200 for that, and that's what it came to 300.
Miss Annette, go on.
Whatever.
Miss Annette, you're too little bit and
You
thief.
left $100 balance, and I put 200 for it and said pay 370. Right?
Me left $100 balance and then she had on for pay and she had on 2 bills for.
But you paid 1630 and it was
1685 and it was
1630.
1685 1685 1685
And I add that to 200 and something, and that's how you get 370.
1685. Go and pay 370. Go on.
The 370 including the $100 balance for you.
You're too thief, man.
All thief come in.
You're too thief. Then you got
understand what
then you got and you understand that means you understand renting, you understand thieving too.
Thieving and you get a bill?
But you're thief because if you pay $2,000 and you pay $1,000. Eh?
Yes,
I told no fair time I leave it down here, November, December. Since December I start coming. So I'm for pay $2,000. So since I'm for get water bill in November I come here. So since people in there, you're too thief, man. Eh? You're too thief. Me not even down here in November, December. Me not down here. So I'm for pay more than you.
Since the 5 people.
But since the 5 people cover under what I paid.
No.
Yes.
No, you being dishonest and thief.
Are you dishonest and thief?
If you use light, if you share light bill with somebody, and one have fridge and one no have fridge, the one we have the fridge.
Miss Annette, we are gonna take Miss Annette. You have vex because we are saying to them, I'm a beg a man come lift up the fridge. Miss Annette run down, Miss Annette run come run and beg him lift up the fridge. Come here, say probably she a woman and she can't money. Miss Annette I say I
You
was say.
vex from that.
Who vex? Me know Miss Annette. Jesus Christ.
So treat them illoyal to me and run content me. You vex.
The one that go tell her. Miss Annette, your man is ain't my type. Miss Annette, your man ain't Miss Annette, your man is ain't my type. Miss Annette.
The girl I call me for fix fridge in there and don't want she wind up her ass.
Miss Annette, your man is Miss Annette, man are your type.
So
Miss
you
Annette, man, I hear that.
So you call people a man behind
Miss
them,
Annette,
you know?
Miss Annette,
Then
yeah,
how
man.
would you call people man behind them?
You might never know. Miss Annette, yeah, man, probably me take your man, Miss Annette, probably me
Yeah.
live here free.
Man, you
Miss
man rape
Annette,
you.
Miss Annette, no, probably me live here free.
Eh?
Probably me live here
Unless you're
free.
afraid of no- You wouldn't want to call any man for coming in your place.
Miss Annette, probably me live here, and probably man that move you out and move me in.
Eh? So you're Bex fan them time.
Me, Bex?
You have way up fan them.
Yeah, man, on my type. Yeah, man, on
Yeah,
my
Bex fan.
lady.
The man liar.
Lady, you man a liar take you know when they how much how long now you not see him. Month and the do see man. Month and yeah. Month and the do see man. Of course. Nena no check can I use pipe. Check can for go on your bed. But still me one.
One somebody can use much.
Yeah, you use it more that way.
1,200 hard me for pay.
But want to so go on there since I want to
Fix for when me fix you don't know you can run while
no, you know what about
one pretty door
we
expensive
we
door.
$100,000 do we want $100,000 do you forgive me $100 you see them do around the same door around us so I tell you different after for beautify what
I don't know one
a beautify what you think I'm coming here to beautify but beautify
you know work there.
go on yeah but me go buy the door to red money
I'm not married money.
out here red money me go buy the door
Money I want security.
me go fix up your place fix it up for what
Security money.
what are we then give me security money give me
No,
it.
you leave it out.
No, me don't want to leave it out. Me want it back.
You're not getting
Me want it back.
You're not
Me want
getting
it. Me want it back.
In June.
But
16th next week.
but it due.
Eh,
But
rent
it due.
next week,
But it
18th.
due. But go on and give me back money.
Give you back money.
Yeah.
Unless me see the truck pop up out the door.
No, the truck now pack up.
Well, if the truck no come pop
Can
up outside.
can your man come move
and
you?
you give me key and me lock my door, you ain't get it.
Your man come move you out and move me in.
Alright, live dream.
Me
Live your dream. In your fantasy world. That's your day I wish for.
I wish.
That's
Me
how you
I
have we up.
Jesus
I
Christ.
put me out and take you in.
Me no want Miss Annette. Your man is 8 my type. My man them nice. I can show you them.
Me no want
My man them nice. Miss Annette, if he kill me, Miss Annette, if he kill, Miss Annette, him brown Annette, and see boy brown. And him for kill me, Miss Annette. Me rather my man beat me and kill me more than him only a trace me like my girl. Me no want your man trace you. Me and my man a cuss. Me want when me a cuss, them the neighbors not hear my man mouth. Me no want them to hear the two of we mouth.
You prefer hear them as hear.
Yeah, me want them hear me a scream.
A scream out say.
Yeah, a scream out, so yeah. Me, who said don't kill me?
I said me and a broke.
But Anna bro, move for yourself. What about Anna bro? You to mix it here goes again. One never mix up your start.
Sleep.
But out if we wake up, yeah, your man wake we up out of our sleep regular and play loud music.
No, you ain't sleeping because you run come on.
You don't know. Enough time. You go like a one time the man a play music. And if you respect tenant man, I respect.
Play the music.
But tenant a play. How much time you man a play music? Enough time your man a play music. You not play music a day, but you don't want to play music at night. Night people got them bed and relax their nerve.
Right you that road.
More than- You don't know what I do. You don't know what. Of course. Me have young baby rolling up on bricks and I make nice.
Me never rent young
You don't tell me what we rent. You rent your place and we do whatever we want to do.
rent
You
you alone.
don't tell me. You rent me. You rent my name alone upon the receipt. But I bring anybody I want to bring here.
So if it's you alone, it says you alone.
Well, me can't tell anything I want to tell you.
Okay, well now that
Me can't tell you anything I want to tell you.
Well now that the truth revealed.
But know that the truth reveal. You soon see all 8 away in here, in our one room. You soon see all 50 away.
Pack them up and come.
Pack them, of course, you go pack them up and come.
You know the water for wash my skin and only you start smell.
We know how to buy water. And you can make the water cut off for a way. You that be a Miss Annette come here because you're not
We
teaching.
shall see.
Miss Annette, why did Miss Annette come? Why did Miss Annette come to your mom? Why did Miss Annette come to your mom for pay 20,000 for like me?
20,000. No, you are a liar. 20,000.
Why?
20,000 fam.
Miss Mena.
Where do you need that figure from?
Mena, and that Miss Annette put 2 0 and 3 0 back in. Not 20,000. 1 2 1 0 and 3. What are you? Can you message?
You say 20,000.
20,000, right?
Sure.
I'm calling the same time.
Sure.
No, I can't show her right now.
No, if you're real, sure.
I'm say to Miss Annette, Miss Annette,
You
how much?
say 2, 3 0 point and 2 more 0.
Man, I'm say 2 0 point 3 more 0. Miss Annette, you tell us you want to take people fool.
You say two.
That's why, you see when you come to your tenant them, when you come to your tenant them, if you come with the right figure.
Where people don't get 20,000 for what? For light bill. Which part you have in here for 20?
No, because probably want to pay fee and fee light bill.
Oh, please. But
Yeah.
don't you get an account number?
But probably don't you get an account number. A lucky thing, you know, when she sent me the first bill,
If
when she said
20,000
pay.
is there, I must have error that.
Then if you write it good, write it good. Don't,
I am sure
people
you
like you
understand.
not to make mistake.
Right?
People like you not to make mistake because you're so perfect.
But you already did get the figure.
But
I'm asking you now.
And then you're going to give me wrong figure after. And then you're going to give me wrong figure after.
No, because there was a question relating to the first one.
But-
I said, did you pay the 2,000 on the light bill?
But did you
that
pay?
was the question. Did you pay
But
the
did you?
2,000?
You know, if you want thief people, man.
Oh.
Because you don't know what people do in their life to get their money, man.
Yo.
If the question
Everything you call me now. Everything you call me now.
because she have more sense than
But me not talk to you. You know, sister, me not talk. Me not talk to Miss Annette.
the truth.
Me not talk to you. Me not just laugh to you, laugh off for you in your mind, in her mind.
No, she hear it now.
She not listen to you. She not listen to you. Yeah, let me tell you what Miss Annette want. Me tell you what kind of feelings Miss Annette bring me now. Is it true? She asked Mark's father for come take the cat them, and true me tell Mark say, don't take the cat them, and that Miss Annette bring feelings. But no want a wild cat in their yard. People want cat when they can't pet.
With that.
And that's why you're vexed with Annette. You can't cat feeling. Don't kind puss feelings
No, me
with
will tell
Annette.
you, say-
You're a big woman.
Me not be done with that. Because me done deal with what me fit deal with.
You're a big woman.
Me
Can you-
say you now or get the table and the whatnot because you never do that. And you never call him to carry me at the doctor.
Miss Annette.
So you use
Miss Annette, further and forward, I never. Miss Annette, she said she not gonna give them one table and one whatnot. So here was the deal now. She gonna give them the whatnot and the table and then take a cat.
Who that in your house and make up? Who that in the gate and make up? What you want? I call out Blacker?
Bombo in one color cock up.
What that name so?
Bomban! Hey, never tell her man.
You know anybody in your cover? You see you disrespectful you. Imagine me tell me I pay to fix the door. Right?
Yeah.
And that's-
We never catch this pan live. Wait,
They don't know. I mean, think about the money I sell you all that.
wait. Me nah.
Check me about me a whole door and you know no manners and you know them. You can respect me because me and a woman around here we are sleeping on our own and you know, me not careless man.
See that she has money more meat
And you
again.
know my name and you come and get about
She and people more than me.
Get away from here. Get away from here if you can't dress me decently.
Yeah, bad man.
Don't come on my gate and come ball out no
That's
slang
fine.
word.
Okay.
Address me by my name.
How your name again?
Well, if you don't know it, leave. Move along. Right?
Say you.
Go along. Because you don't no respect.
Who not know?
And you give encouragement to who live in here. To disrespect
Who
me.
that?
Right?
Who yeah?
Because me left you to fix the door, half a nail, and you run and slaughter me. And you go out the
Sorry with who?
and you go out the side and carry on about the door. Wait. And me fix it.
What?
You your $1,000 on the door, not even fix good. And me carry your $1,000 from there. The door never fix good.
Cock up. Cock up. See, you got cuss you now. Cock up, come here. See, man got cuss you. Cock up. Miss Annette.
Get out of me.
Miss Annette, come here. Miss Annette, come here, Miss Annette. So Miss Annette said, pay him. Miss Annette, come here, pay for fix the door. Miss Annette, come here now. Yeah, them, it's a bra for them. Go on, come, Miss Annette, no?
Kaka.
Cock up! Come, Miss Annette, the man come for money. The man come for money, and Miss Annette no want give man the money. Come, and the man, me tell him, say, but just come call her, and him fix the door. And he did that done all, and he must say, make him can't bother with crosses people, and how much he have in business, figure about. And he have in business for go about, and he might cut. Remember me did it on the phone when he might cuss her? Cock up! Bob man, the name them bad. No stop, Miss Annette is a look at safe.
Viewers and subscribers, I'm not so sure what to say about some of the things that I saw and heard in this video. You see? I'm not so sure what to say about some of the things that I saw and heard in this video, you know? But I heard persons talk about rent and water bill in the video. You see what I'm saying to you? Yes, so in my point of view, there seems to be some disagreements between persons that you could hear talking in the video that I just presented to you. You see? In my point of view, this so-called argument doesn't seem to be a heated one or a very aggressive one to me. You see me, I said to you? Yeah, and that's just my point of view. You see me? You can tell me if I'm right and you can tell me if I'm wrong. But, you know, according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, this so-called argument doesn't seem to be a heated one to me. You see me? You know what? I am not going to say much about this video. You know, I don't want to say certain things and then I am wrong, you know? I think I'm going to leave it right there. You see what I said to you? Yeah. You don't know me dancehall skill. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? And you know, you can let me know what you think about the video, viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah. Now, for those who might not know who goes by the name of Mackerel, Mackerel is a female who became popular on social media. Some persons might know her as the female who says, "Take what people man." You see me? Yeah. According to some things that have been said on social media about the video that I just presented to you, it is said that the person who was talking in the background of the video is said to be the female who goes by the name of Mackerel. You see me? Yeah, I'm just telling you some things that have been said on social media about the video and giving you hints and clues as to who is known as Mackerel. You see me? Again, I'm telling you, viewers and subscribers, I'm only telling you some things that have been said on social media about the video. You see what I'm saying to you? So please bear that in mind. You see me? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Big up and respect to each and every one. You can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Look big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.